Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix iPhone not showing contact name. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If your iPhone is not showing contact names, it can be caused by various issues. Here are several ways to fix it. First method, a simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. Press and hold the power button, then slide to power off, then turn the phone back on after a few seconds. Next method, if your contacts are synced with iCloud, turning the sync off and back on may help refresh the contact list. To do this is by going to Settings, Your Name, iCloud, tap on Show All, toggle contacts off, and choose to keep contacts on your iPhone. Wait for a few seconds, then toggle contacts back on, and choose to merge the contacts. Open the Contacts app and swipe down from the top of the screen to refresh the list. This forces your contacts to resync. Another method, sometimes the short name feature can cause contact names to disappear. Go to Settings, Contacts, Short Name, toggle short name off to display full contact names. Now, if the issue persists, after trying everything, you can try a factory reset. Ensure you back up your data before doing so. To do this is to go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset. Then choose Erase all content and settings. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.